Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today lecture is about the brain injuries, brain matter injuries. First of all, there may be concussion, cerebral concussion, also called stunning brain shock. This is a condition in which there is a temporary derangement of the neuronal activity without demonstrable organic lesion in the brain. Its cause is trauma to brain, especially decelerating injury. Then the type of concussion may be reversible and irreversible. Reversible in mild cases and in severe cases it is irreversible. Important point is that the patient should be kept for 24 hours, should be kept under observation for 24 hours to rule out any extradural hematoma. Medical legal importance of concussion is post concussion syndrome. There may be headache, dizziness after recovery, especially after severe cases epilepsy may develop. Then retrograde amnesia, the patient is unable to recollect the exact manner in which the injury occurred and even the events occurring before and after the accident for a period of 15 to 30 days. Then after concussion there may be contusion to the cerebrum, cerebral contusions. These are bruising of the cerebral tissue with or without any apparent injury of the scalp or skull outside. In this, the causes may be coup and counter coup injury, shear, strain injury, blast wave, firearm injury, skull injury. Then may be cerebral laceration. It is the tearing of the cerebral tissue and usually found with cerebral contusions. Causes as in contusions, the same causes. This may be superficial, deep, or in the vital center. In superficial only grey matter is involved, in deep only white matter is involved. Number 3, in the vital centers or ventricle this may be. There may be cerebral irritation, a predefined set of symptoms, but may follow cerebral concussion, which may end with total recovery or may be followed by post concussion syndrome. Then there is cerebral compression. It is a clinical condition due to increased intracerebral pressure which disturbs the function of the brain. Its causes are brain edema, hemorrhagic, depressed skull feet, skull fracture, any foreign body. Its medical legal importance is diagnosis of cerebral compression is very important as surgical postmortem of the case can release the as the surgery of the case can release the compression, which is a life-saving membrane. Thanks.